Hi, this tutorial is to help some students that are having some issues connecting to Google assignments that you have posted. What happens is a student comes in, they have your course, and they click on an assignment for you, and they go to their My Document, and it has this little red text here that says, we had some trouble opening your document. So the student needs to do this. These steps were sent out in an email, I think 2 weeks ago, but wanted to make sure that they were coming across clearly. So while this is open, I am in as a student right now. I'm going to open up a new tab. So I see the assignment here, but I'm going to go New Tab. I'm going to go to RTMSD, go to the website. And in the student portal, there's a link that we posted to reset the Schoology Google Sync. Click on this. And here, the student needs to connect their RTMSD login. So they're going to put in their email and then their password. And now we'll see that it is going to ask to allow. We're going to click allow to connect it to Schoology. And we're going to wait a little time. And then here we see the assignment. We can go back to here. And now when we refresh the assignment page, it'll come up here. So a lot of students are having trouble following those directions. So if you can give them a hand, that'd be great. And if you're seeing that students have to do this multiple times, please contact me because they shouldn't have to do that. Thanks for your help, and I hope we transition smoothly with Schoology.